Hello, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to try a different question, perhaps you've already done this one, click on the information card here. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. A vehicle travels on a straight road starting at time t equals 0. The graph shows how its velocity varies with that time. What is the distance of the vehicle from its start position when time is equal to 40 seconds? Okay, so the important thing to remember here is that in a velocity time graph, the area underneath the line is equal to the displacement. Now, when the velocity is positive, we can think of the vehicle moving away from the point. When the velocity is negative, we can think of the vehicle moving towards the point. So we can think of having positive areas and negative areas. And if I take the negative area away from the positive area, I'll find the total distance or the total displacement from the starting point. So some multi-choice questions. You want to be trying doing these as quickly as possible in the exam. You may notice that I could get rid of that triangle there and add it there. So I've turned this into a nice square. So first of all, the positive displacement is going to be equal to, well, that's a square, it's 15 by 15, which is 225 meters. And then we've got this negative area, which is a triangle. So that's going to be a negative displacement. And that triangle has it's a half times base times height. That's the formula for a triangle, for the area of a triangle. So we've got a half, the base there is 10, the height there is 7, so we've got 35 meters. I could say that's negative 35 meters because it's returning towards the starting point. So the total displacement is going to be 225 meters minus 35 meters, 190 meters, which is answer B. If you found this video useful, please click on that subscribe button there. Share these with your friends, press the like button and watch more of them. Thank you.